Good day, people. So I'm going to do this backwards. As you can see, my hair is a little bit old, but I'm going to show you all the things you need to get this hairstyle. This is one of my favorite, what has become one of my favorite protective styles. And I was doing this style for a long time. And then I stopped and I switched to something else. But now I've come back to it because I need something to keep my hair protected and that is low maintenance. So I'm going to start in the front. I'm using my Tangle Teaser. That's what I always use to detangle my hair. Now I have not used anything else for years. I had an old one and it broke. But for me, these are the best thing. So obviously I have a part going from, what is this, behind my ear? Yeah, behind my ear to behind my ear on this side. And I'm just going to comb it. This style is done best on stretched hair. As you can see, my hair is stretched. I do not use a blow dryer on my hair except for if I'm going to straighten it, which I used to do it once a year, but now I think I've skipped several years. So I just stretch my hair. I'll maybe start doing a video about that if you all want to see. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video. If you all care where I've been, I will gladly share it, but I won't share if y'all don't care, because I mean, y'all clicked on this to see the hairstyle. So after you comb your hair out, this part to me is the most important, how you start your braid. So I usually take 2 fingers and just kind of slice it like that. And then I like for this one to go under. So I'm going to pull that piece under and this one over. And then I'm going to stick my finger up in there and grab this hair. And then you just kind of, now this is not a tutorial, so I'm not going to even do all this. If you don't know how to braid, then I can do that in another video. This is just a quick, this is supposed to be 5 minutes or less. I'm going to see if I can do it. I think I can do it 5 minutes or less. And you just braid. If you all want a tutorial, I can definitely do one, as I said, but you can request it down in the comments below, as well as if you want to know what happened to me and why I stopped making videos for a long. It's really not a big deal, but it kind of is, but not really. So you just kind of braid towards the front of your hairline. And like I said, it's done best on stretch hair. You can do it, but it's a smooth look. So I like to do it when my hair is stretched. And then I'll explain the back in a second. I like to get it close to my forehead as I can. So it's kind of like, you know, I love the little scallops. I really do. So that's kind of.
Mommy, I'm making bacon.
Ooh, bacon. You gonna eat some? All right. Go brush your teeth. All right. So this is live. And I'm a 30-day challenge. I'm going to try to do a different hairstyle every day, or at least maintain a hairstyle every day. So I'm at 4 minutes. Oh my goodness, I got to hurry up. So besides needing this brush, you will need a hairnet, because I'm going to tell you, I just started using the hairnet probably a year ago for my buns, and it makes a huge difference because like it keeps your hair all in. So I'm going to take this out so you can see. Now, normally, I don't use one of these, but I used one of these this time because my hair was not stretched in the back. It was only stretched in the front. So I used that to help pull my hair, and I used the net to keep it from falling down because I knew that if I didn't have a net, it would fall down. This is live, so I want to do as little editing as possible. So I just put a regular ponytail. I'm taking it out now so I can redo it. And this is probably going to be like 10 minutes. Maybe not. Maybe 5 and 2 extra minutes, like 7 or maybe so, something like that. And I'm not going to detangle this. This in the back probably definitely could use a detangling. But I'm just going to comb the roots, you know, for the sake of time. And I don't really need it to be detangled to put it in a bun. So I'm just going to comb up around here in the kitchen and down here. And I'm going to take my little ponytail holder and put my ponytail in nice and low. I'm going to put it in nice and low. So I just want y'all to see like real time how long it takes. You can get a hairstyle, I'm sure y'all know, quickly. Obviously my hair was already parted and stuff, but it don't take that long if your hair is stretched to part it. And I'm going to be doing videos that don't require braids too. I'm going to do it some different ones. So subscribe if you have not. Subscribe and help me reach my goals. If you subscribe, you will be helping another person achieve their goals. So now I'm going to, I don't know if I need this time, but I am going to use it because I used it last time. And that's where you click on it. So I'm just going to take my little bubble donut and put it around. And quickly separate my hair in the middle, like so. Put that around there like that there. And then I'm going to take this. So this is the last thing you need. Oh, actually, the second to the last thing you need. So you're going to tie this around here. This is not stretched in the back, so that's why I'm using the hair nets. So if you do have that issue, the hair net really helps keep the hair. So I'm going to do it like this. And just do that. Ta-da! Alright. And for this, the hair net, this is the lifesaver. This is what keep it from coming out. So you wrap that around there like that. And then I do like a ponytail too. Twist it. And it's probably got some holes in it, but that's alright. As long as it's completely covered. It's about time for me to do it, buy another one of those, but I can't. I haven't bought one yet. And then you just tuck this around like so. And you can pin it all if you want to, but I got a little few ends. Oh, 8 minutes and 44 seconds. I'm gonna get my earrings. I can't find them. Where are you? These will have to do. You like? They just kind of go with the green, I think. My other ones was leaf. They were green leaves. They matched this perfectly. But I can't find them. So, put that on. And y'all, if y'all follow me, y'all know I have a split ear. So, yeah, this is going to be probably almost exactly 10 minutes. I have little things for my ear. So, if you want to see a tutorial on that, I actually do have a video. So, you can just go back and find it. And if this helps you, subscribe. I mean, there's more to come. So you just stick that on the front, stick this on the back, and your split ear is fixed temporarily for the day. Where's my ear? Can't find it. I'm too nervous. I'm trying to rush. All right, here we go. Now it's in there. And voila. There you go. All right, so there is 10 minutes and 44 seconds. But I'm probably going to edit it. I'm going to have to. But anyway, so now the hairstyle is done. I hope it looks nice in the back because I can't see it as of right now. And there you have it. A quick protective style. And you can just put your bonnet on, actually. That's what I do at night. I just put my bonnet on and just go to sleep. And if I can't find my bonnet, I put the little do-rag on backwards. So anyway, have a wonderful day or night, afternoon, evening. And please subscribe. I found my earrings. They were in my old purse, of course. And I just couldn't rest. I guess it's not that serious. But here we go. This is the for real, for real. Alright, here we go. There we go. And we are done. I mean, they both would go, but this is what I had in mind. Because it matches my bun, a little crooked. All right.